go. Yeah, we here. Bernice checking in. Almost that time, y'all.
Dove you bag?
Oh, no, me no bag.
No.
My bag's flying straight to America, baby. I'm gonna see my bags in Philadelphia. I'm in the airport, real comfort, you know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. I have yet to have a good experience here in Frankfurt, Germany airport, man. That was the longest security line. Yo, the longest security line I've ever been through, bro. And the thing is, they just kept letting people go through. Like people's flights was like boarding in 10 minutes, and they just kept, yo, if this your flight, go ahead. This your flight, go ahead. And there'd be like 30 people, and then we just ended up waiting, yo. Like, that joint was crazy. I probably was standing up in that line for like an hour. But yeah, I'm at the gate now. Yo, if it's one thing I learned about flying, is that when you get to your gate,
Liebe Fluggäste, mein Name ist Jasper. Ich möchte Sie gerne
when you get to your
mit
gate,
unserem Einsteigen
literally just ask, especially if it's a long flight, just ask if they got a seat for extra leg room. That joint work every time for me. That's my little flying tip for y'all.
I think I have.
Guten Tag zusammen. Im Namen
See all these houses they done built? Oh, y'all done lost y'all shit. Ready. Lemon is the gang leader.
I thought they said that it was the electric company, but it wasn't. They hired an electrician to come out.
Pretty decent. Is it good?
I was just saying, you gotta have to do something.
Get Yaya a kiss. Yaya have a kiss? Yaya a kiss?
Latino. Slam dunk. Go. Oh, again. Go. Yeah, y'all probably can't see because my shirt is black. But yeah, hold up, man, hold up. Yeah, I don't know. Can y'all see the sweat? Probably not because my shirt is black. But yeah, yo, that Pilates class was nothing to play with, yo. Even though it's my first class, she ain't take it easy, bro. It's like no breaks. It was a 50-minute class. It was just me and another girl and the instructor. Yo, she wore us out. I'm talking about the whole bench, the whole Pilates, whatever you call the Pilates, board thing, was drenched in sweat, y'all. Yo, that drink was crazy, y'all. I feel good though. Like afterwards, I feel good, but during it, whew, I'm definitely coming back though. This is a great spot. If you're in Delaware, this is Solid Core, bro. Solid Core in Wilmington, y'all. Get here for a class. I think if you wanted like an individual class, like $15, yo. Come check that joint out, man. I tell you, about a year ago, I wouldn't have been able to do this. got finished with the runs, man. Great runs, but yo, the gym was so hot. It's like a sweat box. Yo, it was so hot, bro. But it feel good out here. It look like it's about to rain, honestly. It's a nice little breeze. But finna go back to the crib now. This the weird thing about vlogging. Somebody looking at me while I do this. That's so weird. But I really don't even care, honestly. But yeah, finna go back to the crib now. Just chill for the rest of the day. This is exactly why I didn't want to come in here. I want to buy everything and just like redecorate and move things, but I'm not home long enough to even do that. So that's the good thing. I know I'm not home long enough, so I don't really gotta buy anything. Cha-ching. Yeah, that was my first time at that gym. The good thing about this gym is you get a 3-day free trial. So you don't have to make a commitment to, you know what I'm saying, just signing up or going with their membership already. I get a 3-day trial to see if I want to continue or not. But the only bad thing about it is, like I said, I'm gonna be in Europe. I'm not gonna be here in America for long. So I don't want to make a long-term commitment. But he did say they have a 1-month membership, which is like $60. So I'm gonna think about it. I got 2 more days to think about it. I think it makes sense because they also have a sauna in there, and I really would like to use the sauna a lot while I'm here at home. And they got a lot of equipment. It's a good gym, so I'm gonna think about it. They got a little smoothie spot right here. I'm gonna go grab a little smoothie real quick, and we're gonna go home. I know a lot of y'all probably already had this phone, but for me, it's a big upgrade. Like I said, I've been having the iPhone 11. Like, yo, look at this. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I don't think I'm putting a case on this phone.
Say less, because ain't nobody got time.